Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, over the last few weeks, you may have been observing that the Bitcoin price has been going up and down. It actually went to a low of about $30,000, and it came down from a very high of over $60,000. Now, that has been a big cause for concern amongst many investors. And I wanted to, tell you or give you some insights into how you can actually make money from Bitcoin despite the fluctuations of the price and also the fiat currency. So let's talk about it. There are three key aspects that I'm going to talk about today. It's going to be a very short video, so take a look at it, and if you have any questions, let me know. So before we dive in, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video, and please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research, from my work, and from my videos. So let's dive in. So the first thing that you must understand is that, well, the path to accumulating wealth with Bitcoin, regardless of the fiat performance, can be taken by anyone. All of us. It's not a rocket science. It's not something that we need to have special capabilities or education or knowledge or learnings to be able to do that. If you look around, the kind of people who've actually made millions or even billions through Bitcoin and through other cryptocurrencies, they're not very smart people. May or may not be very smart people. Some are smart, but not all of them are smart. So you got to understand that how Bitcoin works and know a bit of its past histories to be able to make some sizable wealth from Bitcoin. So the first thing that you must keep in mind is to buy and hold Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is not something that you should speculate on too much. It's not that you buy now and you sell an hour later or maybe even tomorrow. So it's something that you should buy and hold, largely because of the history, how Bitcoin came about, what are the fundamentals behind Bitcoin and what it's actually aiming to do in the fintech world, or let's say the financial world, the transaction world, the monetary transaction world. So what are the gaps that it's trying to fill? So you must keep all those things in mind, and also, when I said fundamentals, you must know that there is a certain, a limitation to the number of bitcoins that can be mined. There are about 21 million bitcoins that could be mined in all, and no more than that. So obviously that helps to build that the unique value, the novelty value of Bitcoin, and hence it's not something that whose value will really go down to $0. It will definitely hold on. It will definitely grow. It may come down. It's at the end of the day, it's like a stock. It will fluctuate based on various factors, based on even what, let's say, Elon Musk talks about it, or some country puts regulations on various cryptocurrencies or trading in cryptocurrencies. Regardless of all of that, Bitcoin, I think, is a safe crypto to invest in. So the very basic point that you must keep in mind is to buy and hold. And the second point is related to this first point, which is to save Bitcoin. So if you find the Bitcoin, the price to be relatively low, you could buy and save it. Even if it goes up, you should wait for it to come down again, and then again buy a few more, and then save it. Keep it with you. Keep it for the long term. It's the whole idea is to buy, hold, and save. Those are the three terminologies that you should keep in mind when you are looking to invest in Bitcoins. Buy, hold, and save. Keep it for the future. I can tell you it will not, leave you in a lurch. It will give you money. It will make you wealthy. So don't look at speculations when it comes to Bitcoin. Look at holding it. Look at saving it. Accumulating as much as you can. And the third thing that you must look around or keep in mind is to really avoid scams. You will find many people, asking you on Twitter, on various other social media platforms to, take bitcoins from me for free, or you do this and you get some bitcoins. Bitcoins are you do some data entry work and you get 0.1 bitcoin for whatever amount of data entry that you want to do. You will find many such kind of offers coming on the social media domain. But I think you should keep away from all of that. You should not fall into those kind of scams, and also try and look at the kind of crypto exchanges where you're investing, or you're putting your money into to invest in bitcoins. Yesterday I did a video on the problems that Binance is facing, the Binance cryptocurrency exchange, and there are many countries who are now clamping down on Binance, largely because they are not been doing the trading activities in a legal and regulated manner as per the laws of those countries. I'll put a link to that video on the card above. Go take a look at it. But all I'm telling you is to stay away from all sorts of scams. So the very basic the idea, or the very basic advice that I'm giving you, is to buy, hold, and save bitcoins. So those are the three points that I wanted to tell you, which pertain to investing in bitcoins. I hope they are useful and you would follow my advice. So that's it, guys. As you know, I have a free ebook on my journey as an entrepreneur. The book is titled Six-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur, and How Do You Achieve That? So I spoke about my journey. I spoke about the pros and cons, the problems I faced, and how I came around and making it a success. I today have two companies, one in Singapore, one in India, and I have representations in the North American market, in the US. I've also put down 3 worksheets in this book. Those are really gauging the mindset of a wannabe entrepreneur. You could score yourself, and even the total score would tell you whether you really stand to becoming a successful entrepreneur. Fret not, a lot of people may not score to a level where you could even become or even think about becoming an entrepreneur. The cool thing is I scored myself as well, and you would see how much I scored in this particular ebook. So go grab it. The book is available on my website. The link to my website is flashing on the screen. I'll put that in the description box below. All you have to do is to put down your name and your email address, and the link to download the free ebook will be emailed to your inbox. Uh, well, thank you very much. I hope this particular video was useful to you. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. You would find my LinkedIn URL in the description box below. Go ahead and connect with me. I work with companies to find solutions to their business, marketing, technological, and investment challenges. If you are looking to engage in me as your consultant, please drop me a line on the contact page of my website, whose URL will also be there in the description box below. Or you could send me a message on LinkedIn after you connect with me, and I shall connect with you, and we should jump into a conference call to see how we can work together. So please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell, please comment on my videos, and share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research, from my work, from my videos. So take care and stay safe, stay healthy, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.